two types of bonding, covalent and ionic. Covalent bonding is between two or more nonmetals. Ionic bonding is between two or more metals with nonmetals. See a red sphere. This will represent one of our nuclei. Let's pretend that this atom is hydrogen. We can see a blue sphere representing an electron. Let's say that the electrons are actually the valence electrons. The valence electrons are the negatively charged particles that are in the outer shell. C has 7 valence electrons. Let's call this atom fluorine. Atoms are covalently bonding, since they are both nonmetals. Two atoms. Let's assume that the one on the right is sodium, and the one on the left is chlorine. Sodium has 1 valence electron, and chlorine has 7. All atoms want an electronic configuration of a noble gas, and they do this by giving or taking an electron in an ionic bond.
Excuse me, iMovie needs your attention.
And in sodium, it is easier to give than get 7, and for chlorine, it is easier to get 1 than give 7. So for a sodium atom gives an electron to the chlorine atom. Sodium forms a cation, which is positive, and chlorine forms an anion, which is negative. And as we know, opposite charges attract, so the sodium ion and the chlorine ion gets attracted to each other and forms an ionic bond. Lithium ions. All lithium ions have 1 valence electron. In a metallic bond, every lithium ion gives away its electron. The electron gets delocalized. And with all the delocalized electrons, they create a sea of which is negatively charged due to their electrons. And there are nuclei which are positively charged due to their protons. The positive and the negative charges attract and create a metallic bond. Metals conduct electricity as there is a sea of delocalized electrons which passes on the current.